Since Creative Fabrica has their Black Friday special going on November 24th, 2025 to December 7th, 2025, and you get 50% off. So you're looking at 24.50 for a year, and you can purchase as many years as you want, or you can extend. Also, if you already have a membership or a subscription, you can extend, but be sure to use the coupon codes that I will have below for that. So you hear me talking about Creative Fabrica all the time. Um, and the good thing about it is there is so much to it that you can use. So I started out here and I just want to show you it's got fonts. Of course, it's got the images, which include mock-ups, patterns, frames, all kinds of things. We have, of course, paper crafts, needlework. We have embroidery designs, knit patterns here. You can see more needlework. You got beaded patterns, crochet, macrame, quilt designs, laser cutting, which is so huge right now, laser designs, 3D printing images you can find in here, bundles, the tools, which I'll go over soon, print on demand, and we have studio. So let's go in here and look at some of the tools here. I'll go into tools. So we have studio, which the plain studio is free for all Creative Fabrica members. So I'm going to go into studio here and you go to, let's get out of this one here, go here. You go to the studio button that looks like this. Studio Designer is what we want. That is all free. You can see that I've uploaded some images. You can bring them in and do the same thing that you do with other design software. And this is free with Creative Fabrica. So I want to go over a few other things here. Other tools that you get is the font cloud. I'm going to open my font cloud so that you can see this. And many of you have probably seen me talk about the font cloud before. So you upload your fonts into the font cloud, and this is where you get your glyphs and such to go with your fonts. So this is going to upload here, and you can see all the fonts that I have uploaded in here already. And these are all from Creative Fabrica. So you can find any font that you want here. And I really like font duos and trios because they look really well together. So I'm just going to do font trio and see what comes up here. And you can see so many wonderful fonts that go so well together, all the different designs, and you can see that they have, the glyphs and everything with them too. So let's just download this one and I will upload one of them into my font cloud. So first thing you need to do is you need to extract the files. So I'm going to open this and I will extract all. And so in order to put them on your computer, I like to use the OpenType font. And so OpenType and TrueType are just two different kinds of font. One is a newer version. So you just open the font that you want, and this is many of the glyphs. So I'm not going to install this one on my computer. So let me get back out of this one. And I am going to go to, you can see that that was a doodle. So let's go to the OpenType script here. And in order to download it onto your computer, you just hit install right here. It's that simple. And then it installs it on your computer. So if you're using Cricut's Design Space, you will just need to search for your fonts that you have on your computer, and you can use them this way as well. But you do have to close your Cricut Design Space and then reopen it again. So now what I'm going to do is I will go into let's go into our studio here, this one here, and let's do text here, and let's hit a text box here, and we will upload a font here. So you can see that it comes in at Poppin, and here is some fonts that I have already uploaded. And so let's upload that font that we just downloaded. So you just go here and we'll go to Winter Script right here. And now it is, because we had our check mark there, it should be in our fonts here. Let's just go back out here and go back where my font, there it is. And we're going to go to our fonts here. And we're going to go to my fonts and scroll down to Magic Winter. There it is. You can see it. So let's use that one. I'll just type Magic Winter in here. See, whoops. If I could hit the right keys here, and I'll move this up so that you can see how cute that font is. All right, so I am going to go back to Canva now, and I'm just going to do an 8x8 design here, and I'll show you how to upload that font into Canva as well. So just add a text box. This is the easiest way. Then you go here where it says Canva San, and you click on that, and then you go to upload a font. And so now here is our Magic Winter script. So I'm going to open this one and enter it. Yes, I can upload it because I have permission. I have a membership to Creative Fabrica. So now we have, where's the winter? We'll go down here, scroll down and find it here. STUV White Winter. Here we go. So now that changed our text. So I'm going to change the text here to say White Winter as well. And then we're going to bring it into our font cloud. White Winter. All right. So now we're going to go back to the font cloud here, and I'm going to browse, and I am going to bring that same script in here, the open type font, Magic Winter script. All righty. It is coming into the font cloud here. Oh, Magic Winter script. Here we go. Wonder if I went for the right one in Canva. Let's look for Magic Winter here. I think I pulled up the wrong one when we were talking. So MNO. Oh, there it is. Magic Winter script. That's what messed me up. Okay, so I'm going to change this word to Magic Winter. All right, so now we're going to go to our font cloud. Here it is, Magic Winter script. So now as you scroll through, you can see that the glyphs on the end here, they're hard to see because this is really small. Let me see if I can make this bigger here for you. And so you can see the glyphs on these. You see those there? So now I'm going to show you how to use these. I am going to make this smaller though, so that I can see better. So let's go into our Canva here. So we have M, and there's an R at the end and a C at the end there. So let's see what we can find. Let's see what we got for a C. Wow, these are really small in here, hard to see. Scroll down here. They're not usually this hard to see. All right, so let's find the R. RS, okay, that one doesn't have a glyph on the end. R, this one does. So all you do is you click on it, and it says character copy to clipboard. Then we go into our Canva, and I'm just going to pop my cursor in here, backspace, and then Control V. And then you can see how it gave it that glyph on the end of the R. So let's try this for the C as well. See if I can find something for the C. BC. All right, gonna click, and it says character copied to clipboard. I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna backspace, Control V. Oops, Control, the wrong one. Gotta go back and hit that again. Click it, copy to clipboard, and get my cursor in there, Control V. There you go. So now you can see that that is how you can add the glyphs from the font cloud. All right, so I've showed you the font cloud, I've showed you Studio. So let's go in and look for, we search some fonts here. So let's go in and find a design, and we will bring it in and do something with it here. I think this is an embroidery one here. So you can also narrow your search down I can search out Christmas graphics and see what comes up here. I haven't done this before with these. So, and here you can see that you can delete the laser cutting, or you can just keep laser cutting, and you can keep fonts and embroidery. Just click on what you're looking for. So I am just looking for graphics. So I'm going to click that. So now all that'll show up here is graphics instead of all the rest right now. Let's see here, but I will show you a couple of the other things. So let's pick this one. I just love these whimsical looking creatures here. So you just hit download, and then it's going to download this file. And once it's done, then you unzip it and you can bring them into your design software. So now while that is uploading, I am going to close a couple of these windows here because I don't want too many open. My internet is not that speedy. All right, so let's look for crochet patterns, just for to show you how many cute things there are. Let's look at this. Is this not amazing? All right, so let's go to laser cutting now. I'll put laser, and I'm just going to click laser here, and then just look at all of these laser designs that Creative Fabrica has. Now I'm going to put mock-up in, because I want you to see. I don't know if you've worked with mock-ups before, but I have videos in my YouTube channel where you can use you can make mock-ups of what you're designing. And here's shirts in the mock-up section. Here is backgrounds for mock-ups. There is just so many things that you can do with the mock-ups. There's ornaments, just so much. And so I highly recommend that you really check out Creative Fabrica. And please use my links below, because I do make a slight amount of money when you use my links. And so I appreciate that. It helps me to continue to make videos for you. All right, so let's go to our cozy whimsical here. And I'm not going to download this or take all of these out because this is a lot. So I don't want to have that many images saved on my computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this one because this is super cute, and we'll work with this one. So we'll just hit save here. And now I'm going to go into my Canva with my white winter here. And I am just going to click upload, and I am going to upload that file that we just had in that we just uploaded. It is that simple. Now let's see what else we can do with it here in Canva. So let's put these words over to the side here. We can get rid of them too. Make this a little smaller. Maybe I'll leave the magic winter in there. That is pretty cute. All right, so move this up. So there's other things you can do here too. So when you're on here, we can go to edit on our words as well. We can change the color. And now that we have an image in here, you can see all these gradient colors. As soon as this design finishes uploading, we'll be able to find these colors in the color scheme as well. But right now, I'll just change it to this gradient color, and you can see how that gradient goes through there like that. It's so beautiful. Then you can go to effect here, and we can curve it a little bit. I don't want it that curved, but you can see how nice that works. So now let's go into edit here, and we are going to look at our colors. And so we go into edit, and you can change your colors here. Oh, and here is that color scheme that I was telling you. So let's go back to our words here, and we'll go in, and there are some great colors right from this design. And you can see how well that matches when I clicked on this color. So now let's go back, and we can go to edit here, and you can change your color here. You can use duotones. That is not my favorite, but sometimes you just need something like that to change a color. You can also go into adjust here. You can adjust your temperature and your brightness, so there's so many things that you can do. Your contrast, you can do most of this as well in Creative Fabrica Studio, but you can also click up here, like on this color, and then you can go and find another color and see how that brightened that up. So it is that simple to take your designs and use them from Creative Fabrica. And you have your free design software here as well. And so just check out Creative Fabrica. I hope you look into it because I have never seen it as inexpensive as it is right now with their Black Friday deal. So thanks for watching. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And have a great day.
Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.